Hello guys, welcome to my channel and this is another video of Excel. And yeah, I know that what are we doing here. First I want to remind you how to, and not how to, I just want to revise the topics that we have covered in the last video. Firstly we have learned how to rename this sheet. Okay, how to rename it. Right click on here, click on rename and write anything here, like say I am writing my name MS. Click on enter and it's done. Okay, then we learned how to make the text bold. Okay, so how to do it. Firstly we learned how to merge a cell. Okay, so how to do it. Firstly you can see this here, right? This black color button. Now you have to drag it like this. I'm doing for 3 cells and then I have to click on merge in center and it's done, right? You can see here. And then we have learned how to make the text bold. So I will click on here. Okay. Then I have to drag it. Then I have to click on bold. And it's done. So then we have learned how to get the font color as well. I will do it on the next cell. Okay. Then we will click on green. And it's done, right? Then we have learned how to calculate the sum. Very easy. Click on auto sum and then click on enter. And then we have learned how to apply the borders. Just not like this. Oh, let's do it to control Z. Okay. Then clear, not enter. Shift like this, and then you have to click on here, and it's done. So guys, that's the revision that we need to do, and then we will show you something in the next topic. In this topic, we will cover the things and the tips and tricks that you didn't know about. In the last video, we have covered some simple topics. Now we will complicate it more. So guys, if you want this series of Excel from today till 2nd January, and if you want to get any video as soon as you can just click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell and click on all, so that you can get every notification of what I am doing. And till then, you watch the intro, and till then, enjoy the intro. So guys, as you can see here, I have done all. As you can see here, this is the page where I have done the percentage. Firstly, you can see the percentage here. How to do it? I will show you. Okay. Just firstly, I will open and I will name the sheet progress report like that. Now it will take a long time to do, so I will just copy it like this. Okay, then shift. This is something that you should know. Okay, so like that. Now you have to click on Ctrl plus C and progress report 2. Then you have to click on Ctrl V, and as you can see here, I have copied it. It's very easy, as you can see here. Now I will write the total and percent. As you can see here, I've also written percentage, and for it's gone bold. Huh? Not bad actually. So firstly, how to calculate the total I've shown you. So I don't have to do. I will speed up the video. So guys, I have checked it, and now I will come to the percentage, the thing that is awaiting for you. So first, this is what is the cell of name of this cell? It is F F2. Okay, so the name of the cell is F2. So like this, and then F2. F2 then divided by 3. 61.3333. You can just this is can you see this box, this general number box? Okay, number box. So in here you have to decrease decimal if you want, and that's it. Okay, and you can't I'm telling you that you can't means get the percentage. You can means what do I say, you can't write the percentage sign. Okay, so that's not possible in this laptop. So I will do it like this, and I will speed up the video. So guys, I have calculated like this, and now it's looking perfect. Okay, now firstly I have to get this border. Okay, so how to do it? Click on shift and that's it. Wow guys, we have done it so fast. So firstly I will show you what I have done. So firstly here click on shift. Okay, then you have to click on Ctrl plus C and click here, and I will go to this cell, and as you can see here, this is just a copy of this. So how amazing is that? Wow. So that's all for today, and if you like it, please click on like, please click on the subscribe button and click on the notification, and we click on all, so to see new videos like this. And till then, bye bye. Till then, adios.